Hi, and welcome to Rhino Tool House's 2-Minute Drill, where we bring you industrial solutions in 2 minutes or less. I'm Scott Janssen. I'm the product manager for our material handling department here at Rhino Tool House. Today I want to talk to you about Built Systems. Built Systems is a manufacturer of tables and other workstation products. This here we have our WT 6000 table. It's a welding table, WT, 6,000 pound capacity. They're offered in 1,000, 3,000, 6,000 pounds. Many different standard sizes, but you could also do custom if you needed to. Each one of these tables comes with modular plates like this. You see here, this is nitride coated with a 5/8 inch holes on 2-inch centers, so 2-inch, 2-inch there. And these plates can be taken off and rearranged as necessary on the product. What are the benefits that you get from that? You're able to quickly and easily, so if engineering sends down some prints, you got to get it done right away. This fits most standard tooling, from right angle brackets, bar clamps, to V-blocks, corners if you need it, and you can quickly and easily set up your welding station. And then secondly, what we have here is the up and down function. So you can see here I can go up 12 inches or down 12 inches. Again, you can customize that as necessary. But this feature here benefits you by employees aren't bending over to do their welding. So many times I see in welding shops, they're bending over like this, their neck, their back is bent over all day doing that welding. If you can get your employees upright in welding in this position, that's going to be a huge benefit to your employees. This is going to save you time because you can fixture quickly. It's going to save you money because you don't have to spend engineering time on tooling it up and fixturing it up, and it's going to save your employees their backs. So you can get a hold of any one of our Rhino Tool House engineers and they'll be able to fit you with the right product for your application. Thank you. Let us revolutionize your process and lift your productivity.